Welcome sa zip9.com. In this video ay itutuloy natin yung ating series about variation. No? And in particular, kung sinusunod nyo yung ating series, ang pinag-uusapan natin ngayon ay ang combined variation. No? So, pag combined variation, medyo halo-halo na siya. No? Meron na tayong direct variation, inverse variation, saka joint variation. No? So, ang unang-unang requirement para ma-consider natin siya sa combined variation is that one variable varies with two or more variables at the same time. Dapat meron siyang yung iba nag-vary siya directly and yung iba naman ay inversely. No? So, dapat may directly siya tsaka inversely. And of course, yung directly, pwedeng joint yan. No? Joint variation kasi direct variation din siya kaso dalawa. No? So, here we have one problem. No? Meron pa tayong dalawang problems dito sa series na to and I don't know kung magdadagdag pa ako but I think we have more than enough examples. So, if y varies directly as x and inversely as z, and y equals 10 when x equals 4 and z equals 6. Find y when x equals 8 and z equals 5. So varies directly as x, no? So y varies directly as x. So di ba pag varies directly as x, y equals kx, no? So y equals kx, kaso meron tayong inversely as z. So meron tayong z sa baba. And y is equal to 10 when x equals 4 and z equals 6. So, y equals 10. Yung ating y, ito yung 10. When x equals 4, so k times x natin ay 4. K times 4 and z equals 6. Z natin sa baba, so 6 siya. Meaning we have 10 equals 4k divided by 6, no? And para matanggal natin yung division, we multiplied both sides by 6, no? Of course, pwede tayo mag-cancel dito, but I think this is also okay. So, multiplying both sides by 6 para matanggal yung 6. Then we have 60 equals, matatanggal to, ang matitira is k times 4 or 4k, no? So, para k na lang yung matira, we have we can divide both sides by 4. No? So 60 divided by 4 equals 4k divided by 4, which means that we have yung k natin equals k equals 15, no? Because 60 divided by 4 is 15. No? So, ang k natin ay 15. So, pag nakuha na natin yung value ng k, pwede na tayo mag-substitute dito. No? So, we have y equals 15x divided by z. No? And ito naman sa question natin, we have find y when x equals 8 and z equals 5. So, using this equation, we have y equals 15 times ang x natin ay 8 at yung z natin ay 5. No? So, y equals, I think this will cancel out. So, divide by 5, we have 3. Divided by 5, we have 1. So, 3 times 8 is 24. Divided by, yung denominator natin na 1, y equals 24. No? So, kung hindi kayo familiar sa cancellation, just multiply 15 divided by 8 and then divide by 5. So, makukuha nyo pa rin is 24. Pero dito kasi, pwede na nating sa cancellation, pag meron tayong number sa numerator at sa denominator, if we can divide these numbers by a single number, in fact, the greatest common divisor, in this case 5, no? Greatest common divisor nila ay 5, mas mapapalit natin yung mga numbers. So, divide by 5, naging 1, and divided by 5, naging 3. Okay? So, meron tayong video niyan yung sa cancellation, so pwede nyo tignan. No? I-search nyo lang yung CVA3 cancellation. And it will take you to the videos, no? To the series. Next, ito medyo mahirap ng konti, no? But it's not very difficult because pinag-combine niya na ngayon yung joint variation saka inverse variation. So we have y varies jointly as x and z, no? So, imbis na imbis na isang variable lang dito, dalawa na siya, no? Maliban dun sa k. So we have x, z, and inversely as w, no? Now, y equals 12 when x equals 3, z equals 8, and z equals, and w equals 6. And, okay, so pwede na natin substitute ito, no? So 12 equals k times, what is the value of x? We have 3. And the value of z, we have 8. And yung w natin sa baba is 6. So we have 12 equals 24, diba? 3 times 8 is 24. That's 24k, no? 24 times k is 24k divided by 6. And yung 24, pwede natin divide by 6, diba? That's, this is 4, diba? So magiging 4k, no? 4k equals 12, no? And dividing both sides by 4, oh, by the way, this is equal to 4. So dividing both sides by 4, we have we have k equals 3, no? So meaning, pwede na natin substitute dito, magiging y equals 3xz over or divided by w, no? So, yan. Ito na yung pinaka-equation of the variation natin. So, nasagutan natin yung 1. Actually, this is the answer for 1. No? Now, for the second question, we have find the value of y when x equals 1. So using the last equation, find the value of y. So y equals 3. Ito na tayo, 3 times, what is the value of x? 1 times z, which is 1/2, and then divided by w, which is 4. So 3 times 1 times 1/2 is the same as 3 halves, no? 3 halves over 4. So y equals 3 halves over 4. What is 3 halves divided by 4? No? So this is 3 halves times 1/4, which is equal to, multiply mo yung sa taas, yung numerator, and then yung sa denominator. No? So this is 3/8. Okay, so ito na yung value ng y natin. Y equals 3/8. Ito na yung answer natin sa pangalawa. Okay, that's it. I hope meron kayo natutunan din sa video na to, ano? And I think this concludes our series on variation, no? Ang pinakalas na topic na natin, ito ay ang combined variation. So, tignan nyo yung series natin on variation. Meron tayong, yung sa una, meron tayong direct, meron tayong inverse, meron tayong joint, no? And then, we have also the combined variation. So, that's it. Titignan lang natin kung madadagdag ko pa itong video na to, but most likely ay magpuproceed ako sa ibang topics. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.